Today we'll talk about how can you disable strict reminders notifications on your Reddit app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You go down here, click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on account settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here until you will find manage notifications. Just click on it. Then you go down here until you find here strict reminders. Just click on it. Then you go down, click here on all off. So then here's strict reminders notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking